All right, Instructor Matt, what's going on here? It's starting to drizzle.
Starting to drizzle. Beautiful June 1st, I believe, today.
It is.
Happy spring, everybody. It hasn't been very sunny this spring, but we're okay with that. We're going to get it soon enough. Just checking in with you guys to let you know one of our mini projects we have here at the school is accepting donation boats from kind donors to help us, assist students in training activities and things like that. At the end of each year, we like to get rid of a lot of these and send them out. So this boat is going to be going up for sale. So this short video is mainly just to explain kind of what we're dealing with here. This is a 1975 Raider, 28-foot Raider landing craft. Pretty sweet, solid little platform we're standing on here. It's got twin Honda 90s on the back. I believe they're late 2000s, like 2009, 2010s. I have to check the serial numbers for sure. But beautiful engines. They have about 200 hours on each of them. This boat was donated from our refinery right near us here. It was a response boat that just basically sat undercover on a dock, did a couple drills every year, got maintained fairly regularly, so really hasn't been used that heavily. The engines look totally beautiful. We haven't spent a lot of time playing with them. They didn't run when they were out at the refinery. We got them both running. One of them runs, but it's just not quite perfect. I think probably the carbs need to be pulled and cleaned, but they are really nice. We'll show you guys some footage of what they look like up close. They're 4-cylinder carbureted engines. Very good. I think this boat would be perfect for one of you folks that live out in the islands, especially the non-ferry served islands, and need to haul things like lumber and groceries and other things like that out to your beach out there to get supplies out to you. I like this boat. So this thing has twin 24-gallon fuel tanks on it. It had old fuel in it. We pumped all the old fuel out, got rid of it. So need to refill with fuel. I would recommend changing the fuel lines on this thing, as well as gonna probably need new batteries and just a general look through on the engines. But again, they look really good. It has awesome hydraulic steering. We checked that whole system out and made sure it was all purged.
A couple of things to note on this: we have not surveyed the hull. We don't know. It's fiberglass. It's old. There is some delamination and issues up front where the landing part goes down on one of the hinges. Got it up close to that, so check that out. It's a project boat, and it was great. Like Matt said, authentic learning. Our students were stoked. We've been putting so much time on King's Pride, but they got it running, and it's going to make somebody a great boat. So check it out, send us a bid.
It's also got VHF radio, it's got running lights. What it does not have is a trailer. We currently have it on our school's trailer. So if this boat's for you, we can take it down and get it launched here at Cap Santa Marina, but then you're gonna have to figure out trailering and moving it around beyond that. Anyways, I think this is an awesome platform for someone out there in the islands. If you're interested, send us an offer. If you have questions, send us an email, let us know.
Welcome to the Scallywags, located in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, where Skagit Valley College has been training technicians since 1968. If you are looking for industry certification and the skills to work in maritime, this is the place to visit. Our staff will share so much knowledge and experience, you will not be disappointed. The workforce demand is very high, and all of our graduates are working around the world. If this sounds interesting to you, schedule a tour and come check us out.